Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And although the intro is in our South Yorkshire garden, this little video is our Hampshire garden. And we'll just have a quick sneaky look at how we produced a nice cheap water feature that you would have seen in an early video, but we'll show you how it looks. A few tweaks needed, but have a watch and see what you think. And as always, enjoy. So these are the pebbles for our water feature we've collected from the seafront, and I'll show you what we're doing with the water feature. So we've got a solar panel with a pump. So there's the pump. It should stick out to the bottom of wherever you're putting it, but we've got this plant pot, and this is a sieve for sieving soil. So just put a hole in, and I've popped the pump through, so that's going to sit in the water. We'll put the pebbles around it, and then hopefully that'll give us a nice fountain effect. I've had to cut a little hole just in here, just for the cable, so the cable will sit in there, and this should sit straight. We'll put the pebbles in, switch it on with the sun shining, and let's see what happens, shall we?
We've got two bug houses. See?
Just needs a few more stones, but not bad for a DIY fountain. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.